How to speed up internet connection on Windows? First step, restart the network adapters. Open run. Type the following text ncpa.cpl. Click OK. If you are using Wi-Fi, go with Wi-Fi. If you are using Ethernet, go with Ethernet. I'm using Wi-Fi, so I'm going with Wi-Fi. Right click it and disable it. 10 to 20 seconds after, one more time right click and enable it. After enabling, close it and move on with next step. Search for command prompt. Right click, click run as administrator and type the following text ipconfig space /plus DNS. Click enter. Next command ipconfig space /release. Click enter. And the next command ipconfig space /renew. Click enter. The next command netsh space winsock space reset. Click enter. The last and final command netsh space int space ip space reset. Click enter. Exit it. And move on with next step. Disable startup programs. Right click task manager. Open it. Click startup apps. If you are really not using the application, means disable the startup apps. Important thing, don't disable the inbuilt application. Select it and disable it if you are not really using the application for startup. And move on with next step. Update network drivers. Search for device manager. Right click. Click network adapters. If you are not know which adapters you are using, then go to the network settings. Check the network adapters. Come back. Update the driver. Once update complete after, one more time right click. Click scan for hardware changes. Close it and restart your device. Thank you.